Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining today's class. Today, we're considering Venn diagram that involve inclusion of NIDA. The first thing to do is to draw your Venn diagram. The Venn diagram represents the information given. Your Venn diagram in a class of 32 pupils, the union, that is the total number of pupils we represented here, 32 pupils, 18 like mathematics. The first circle represents 18. Yeah, mathematics, 18. 18 like mathematics, 12 like English. Is English, 12 like English. Find those that like both subjects. Those that like both subjects, we don't know it. Use X to represent it. Okay. This 18 means we have some people that are offering mathematics and also offering English inside this 18, and also they are offering both maths and English inside this 18. But if you want to know those that are offering mathematics only, you subtract this x from this 18. Okay? You can see this x enters cut across the mathematics, but when you subtract this x, this portion from x, you now know those that are offering mathematics. The same thing, subtract x from English, know those that are offering um, English only. We also, those that study mathematics only, we have to look for that. When you get your X, you'll be able to know those that are offering mathematics only, and also those that are studying English only. When you get value for X, then you subtract it, you know those that are studying English only. While for studying neither of the subject, put for outside because they are neither to be. You can put anywhere inside the box, but it should not be inside the circle. Now, before you get x, you add everything in a box, both in the circle and outside, and equate it to the union, the total. Okay, now 18 minus x plus x, you're adding them together, plus 12 minus x plus 4 equals to 32. And see, minus x plus x means that you are having, let me use morning issues to get it, to solve it. You're having 1 naira, that's plus x. You're owing someone 1 naira. Okay, you're owing someone 1 naira, that's minus. You're having 1 naira. When you pay the money you are owing, the debt, you remove the 1 naira from your pocket and pay the individual. You have nothing in your pocket again. That means that it cancels out. You are left with 18 plus 12 minus x plus 4 equals to 32. Now let's collect the like terms. 18 plus 12 plus 4 minus x equals to 32. 18 plus 12, that's 30. 30 plus 4, that's 34 minus x equals 32. If you don't know how to add it, just move to one corner, write it like this. 18 plus 12, 8 plus 2, that's 10. Carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, that's 3. That's 30 plus the 4, that's 34. 34. That's 34. That's why I got 34 here. Collect the like terms. Collect the like terms. You have minus x cross to the other side, turn to positive. 32 cross to this to the left hand side, turn to minus. Negative. 34 minus 32 equals to x. Therefore, 34 minus 32, that's 2. 2 equals to x. So 2 equals to x. Therefore, x equals to 2. Okay, I've gotten our x to be 2. Those that study maths only, mathematics, pupils that study mathematics only equals 18 minus x, which is 18 minus 2, which is 16 pupils. Pupils. Okay? These two means those that like both subjects. Okay? And say those, write it very well. Therefore, x equals to 2. Pupils, let me call it Roman figure 1. Pupils that like both subjects equals to 2 pupils. You can see it's 2. Like both subjects, Roman figure 2. Pupils that study mathematics only, 16 pupils. Those that study English only, pupils that study English only, because 12 minus 2, which is, 12 minus 2, which is 10 pupils. Okay? And the question can also be added and say, those that study at least one subject. Let me add it. Also, find those that study at least one subject. At least one subject. At least one subject. At least one subject means one and above. You add that of mathematics. Mathematics, which is 16. Pupils, I call it pupils that study at least one subject. At least means for one subject and above. Since we have 16 pupils for mathematics, this is above 1. Okay, 16 plus both 2 pupils plus 10. Okay, we are going to add only what we have here, which is 16 plus 2, that's 18. 18 plus 10, that is 28 pupils. Pupils that study at least one subject, there are 28 pupils. 16 plus 2, that's 18. 18 plus 10, that's 28 pupils. Person can come like that, just since they are more, at least, when at least from that, at least one subject, that is from that one and above. And 16 is more than 1, 2 is more than 1, 10 is more than 1. You add them together. You cannot add 4 because 4 study neither of the subjects. They are not, they will not be included in the addition. That brings us to the end of the class. Please subscribe to the channel for more updates, and also don't forget to leave your question in the comment section. Thanks for listening. Have a wonderful day.